Hello everyone, welcome to the New Age Traveler. Being a jungle safari lover, we decided to let's explore the next national park. So we picked the land of Mowgli, the Pench National Park. While having conversation with MP Tourism, we came to know that all the gates for core zones are opened from 1st of October 2020. So we decided to explore the main gate, that is the Turia Gate. We started our journey from Jabalpur around 9:30 am by Jabalpur to Nagpur Road highway via Dhuma, Chhapra, Siuni. For first 150 kilometers, the national highway is well maintained. But after we reached Siuni, we saw that national highway is under construction. Approximately 65 kilometers from Jabalpur, we have our MP Tourism Midway Treat at Dhuma. While we stopped for breakfast at Midway Treat in Dhuma, I saw one person selling such unique handmade masterpieces. After he shared his work experiences with us, then we all together had our breakfast and the smile on his face was priceless. After breakfast, we started our journey. On the way, you'll see local people selling sugar apple. In Hindi, we call it Sitafal. And trust me, they are so tasty. You're surely gonna buy the full basket. So basically there are 3 core zones in Pench. We booked Turia Gate. So while entering the forest area, we need to fill our details. So we reached Turia Gate around 1 pm and it was approximately 250 kilometers of drive. We pre-booked our stay at Mowgli's Den, which is approximately 2 kilometers from Turia Gate. Mowgli's Den, located in Turia Gate, is surrounded by bushes and trees from all sides. Properly manicurated gardens, age-old trees and wooden boundaries adorn the entire hotel area. Within the premises, there is also a lawn that features a number of slides and swings to keep kids engaged during the stay. They have swimming pool, room services, power backup, air conditioning and much more. Same day after check-in, we played cricket and badminton with the local people as well. After having a lunch, we captured some amazing aerial footage. The Pench National Park, which is nested on the border of Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. A total protected area of 1197 square kilometers across the 2 states provides shelter to more than 35 species of fauna and numerous species of flora. The area of the present tiger reserve has a glorious history. Stendhal's semi-autobiographical Siuni was the inspiration behind Rudyard Kipling's Jungle Book, Mowgli. The wolf child was caught in the jungle of Siuni in the year 1831 near the village Vawadi, situated 10 kilometers away from the Siuni, and from then this land is called as the land of Mowgli. Our resort manager guided us for evening walk and sunset point at Kokha Lake, which is approximately 10 to 15 minutes of drive. Beautiful lake surrounded by greenery, perfect place for evening walk. You can spot kingfishers and various other birds here. After the sunset point, we went to the museum at Turia Zone. The most elegant zone in Pench National Park, the entry gate sits adjoining a wildlife museum which holds information of the various flora and fauna in the park. You can also buy souvenirs and jungle safari accessories. Next morning, we were all set for the morning safari. Turia Zone is opened from October to June. You can book Turia Safari online for an advance booking through MP Online. That's it from my continuous 14th weekend travel vlog. You can check the Pench National Park Jungle Safari short wildlife film on my IGTV and YouTube channel. If you have any queries, feel free to reach out anytime. I'll be happy to guide you. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned to the New Age Traveler, the happy place for the travelers.